yan before.
Oh, si Anggara?
Yeah, Sunny Anggara. That's yung mga kasamaan in Zili. Namatay na yun. And this is the hometown of Manuel L. Quezon. Manuel L. Quezon, the president. Yeah. They live here.
Up to the ocean, I can feel it. I can feel it. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. Here we go. Here we go.
You can walk afternoon. I'm gonna walk in.
Can you rent us?
Headed to our Airbnb here along the ocean, man. Look at that. Look at the ocean.
We're gonna walk later on.
Hindi.
Wow.
Parang ito katulad ng Siargao.
Pangalawa sa Siargao sa
Pangalawa sa Siargao.
yung surfing.
Oh, let's go. Doon sa hotel?
Doon tayo, maganda rin pa. Tuturo niya yung mura. Para medyo
Wow.
Wow, maganda.
So, Pakok tourist here in 2 more months. The Pakok tourist.
Place will be packed, won't it?
Yeah.
Couple more months, the tourist season starts here.
Beach house.
Because in 2 more months, you're not busy from the city coming over here. Milo is a good
Now, right.
I am. I'm filming it.
Doing that?
I'm filming it, man. I'm filming it.
I'm going to night swimming, right?
Yeah. Look at all these, huh?
Cancel. Cancel your flight to Utah. Cancel your flight.
You gonna tell me I ain't gonna make my flight? Didn't you tell me there was a place down here for sale?
Hey. Relax. Milo is a consultant now.
Right. I need to know so I can be prepared.
Are you planning to move here?
I don't know. I gotta look
Why
and
you asking
see.
Milo?
Because he told me there was something that was available down here.
No, you asking him. There's a wrong door. Where you can put the wrong door there? Brad,
Huh?
you can buy a resort there. It's cheap.
Bang. Ayusin mo dito na. Balik ka rin yung alas 2, madaling araw dito na.
We have reached our destination, and of course, it's right out here on the beach.
We are the one who going in the reception
Because
first.
you know what?
Yeah.
Because of PTCU, the price will be getting